Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Error code E1 means your washing machine isn't filling with water properly. Start by checking if the water taps are fully open. Next, look for kinks or blockages in the inlet hose. Don't forget to clean the filters inside the hose connectors. After that, reset your machine. This usually clears the error. If it doesn't, it's time to call a professional.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.